Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ardila Won Octavia Putri from class A, and today I will present my independent English learning plan designed to support my long-term career goal, becoming a bilingual ICT teacher. In this presentation, I will outline the goal, the rule of English, the structure of my plan, how I evaluate progress, and the evidence I've collected through the journey. Career goal and the role of English in achieving it. I am a fourth semester student majoring in information technology education. My career goals is to become a bilingual ICT teacher who can deliver technology education in both Indonesian and English. This career requires strong teaching skill as well as the ability to understand and explain complex digital concepts using global resource. Science most high-quality educational materials and literature are in English. The language plays a vital role in my professional growth, and I helping my students meet today's international technology standards. English plays an important role in supporting my career goals because most technological resources, software documentation, and research articles are presented in English. That's why I constantly work to improve my English skill through self-directed learning, regular speaking practice with peers, and exploring various teaching methods relevant to today's digital development. My ability to access and interpret international teach content will greatly benefit my teaching and my students' learning. Therefore, English is not just an additional skill but core component of my future responsibility as an educator. Independent learning plan to support this career path designed an English learning plan. Specifically, I am to understand English language, teach articles without relying on translation tools. I measure my progress by counting how many articles I read and summarize as week. This goal can be achieved through structured self-learning supported by free online research. It is highly relevant to my career as a future ICT teacher, and I target to achieve it by November 2025. My weekly plan is designed to improve reading skills, vocabulary, and understanding of English articles in the technology field. Monday, read one article and highlight new vocabulary. Tuesday, write a short summary, 150 to 200 words of the article. Wednesday, read journal expert from IEEE to get familiar with academic language. Thursday, practice reading speed and create a glossary of key terms. Friday, review vocabulary and try to retell the article orally. Saturday, read more difficult articles and test comprehension through quizzes. Sunday, rest day. I also use Link, Grammarly, and Google Scholar to support my development in finding reading source, vocabulary, building, and grammar improvement. Evaluation of implementation. Challenges faced during the learning process. I faced some challenges such as balancing time between classes and assignment, encountering unfamiliar technical vocabulary, and lacking confidence when speaking English. Strategies used to overcome this. I start using a calendar app to schedule flexible study session, create a vocabulary notebook for new terms, and record my voice daily to boost speaking confidence. This step helped me stay consistent and stick to my learning plan. Adjustments made. After evaluating ineffective part of my strategies, I made several adjustments. For example, I stopped trying to memorize long vocabulary lists and start using new words directly in writing. I also replaced heavier study sessions with lighter yet still useful activities, such as watching short English videos when I didn't have time to read. I learned that small changes can have a big impact on the effectiveness and motivation in my learning process. Evidence of learning. I have collected evidence of learning from various self-study activities, including weekly summaries of English text articles from AAA journals. Each summary highlights key points and new vocabulary. I also record common technical terms and build a personal vocabulary list to support my understanding. Reflection on what worked and what didn't. The most effective part of my learning plan was reading text articles from websites like AAA, Medium, and TeachCrunch, and then writing summaries. This activity helped me expand my vocabulary and understand the structure of academic text and popular language used in the tech world. I also become more familiar with technical terms in English. However, I realized that I still lack speaking practice, especially in discussions or presentation. I also noticed that long study sessions made me tired quickly. Therefore, I changed my strategy to shorter 20 to 30 minute session, focus on one article and one vocabulary topic. These small changes help me stay consistent and focused. Conclusion and future plans for continued learning. I have improved my English skill, especially in understanding material related to ICT, by reading text articles from sources like AAE, journals, Medium, and TeachCrunch. This method helped me expand my vocabulary and understand authentic English technical texts. Speaking practice with peers and using writing tools like Grammarly also support my development. Future plans: first, continue reading advanced English text article to enrich vocabulary and stay updated with ICT trends. Second, start writing English summaries regularly and check them with Grammarly. And third, maintain a consistent with